Hi, I'm Antonio, the creator of Folder Mapper, and in this video I'll show you how to use this Visual Studio Code extension. Folder Mapper is a support tool for your favorite LLMs, designed to get more accurate and project contextualized responses from your very first prompt. With Folder Mapper, you can generate a TXT file with your project's folder structure, starting from a root folder. The generated TXT file is crucial when interacting with your AI model because it provides the chatbot with project-specific information, such as file names, project structure, and the technologies you're using. This is especially useful when working in a block of code that involves multiple files scattered around your project. Working with Folder Mapper is extremely intuitive, as once the extension is installed, you can access the graphical interface directly from the Visual Studio Code activity bar. Mapping a folder is very easy. Just click on Select Folder to Map to choose the root folder of your project, and then click Start Mapping to generate the mapping. Folder Mapper includes 4 key features for optimizing your AI's memory usage. When enabled, the token cost counter shows you the cost of the generated TXT file if this is used as a prompt to your AI agent. The depth limiter is the fastest way to reduce the size of your mappings. When this value is set to 0, it maps the entire project. When set to 1, it maps only the immediate child folders. When set to 2, it maps the subfolders, and so on. Select an ignore file to exclude files or entire folders from your mapping. This is a key feature because most probably you don't want to have your Git folder or not modules folder in your mapping, because that's resource wasting and your chatbot just doesn't need that information. By clicking the Ignore Presets button, you can explore your ignore files. From here you can adjust existing ignore files, or you can make new ignore files. Last but not least, there is the AI optimized mapping feature that simplifies the TXT file by removing unnecessary details, making it smaller and easier for the AI to process. While it may be less readable for humans, it ensures the AI can quickly understand your project structure, using fewer tokens and improving efficiency. A combination of these features can help you generate a rich but efficient context for AI, enabling it to deliver more accurate and context-aware outputs right from the first prompt. Now it's your turn. Give Folder Mapper a try and see how it can enhance your workflow with AI agents. I appreciate your feedback and always welcome suggestions for new features or bug fixes. If Folder Mapper has helped you improve your process, consider giving it a star on GitHub. Thanks for watching and happy coding!